Alright, so I'm going to put a picture before this video of what AI says the truck's going to look like with a bedliner paint job. But obviously we've got nasty dent in the fender. I'm going to get new fenders for this because the one on this side, there's a dent here and there, but I mean, you can put your fingers through that motherfucker. So I need two new fenders. I'm gonna get two doors. I mean, this one could be saved, but I'm not gonna. It's so much easier just to replace a door than reskin. I mean, cab corners, rockers, obviously. The box is in pretty good shape. Underneath is real nice and clean, but I've got some of this coming through. I need to patch this. So, but underneath the bottom of the box and everything's good. I'm not really worried about changing the tailgate, although it's not the greatest. I've got a little bit of rust here that I got to clean up and seal up, but same thing. I've got this that needs to be fixed here. Obviously I got paint peeling again. This, I thought I had all the clear off it when I repainted it, but obviously not. And then this door is actually not bad, but the problem is, if you see, that sumbitch is smashed with the rocker panel. So whatever the guy hit, it basically formed the rocker panel and the door together. So I got to replace that. So between body panels, patches for the back, and a bedliner paint job, I'm looking at probably $1,200-1,300 bucks. But that's what part of my bonus is in the January. When I get that, that's part of what it's going to go to. So if I can buy a whole donor truck for reasonably priced, I might just do that, so I can pull the fenders, the doors off of the truck. The hood has a little dent in it. You can barely fucking see it, but if I can swap the hood too, I'd be okay with that. I'm not worried about changing the box. So the plan is, if I buy a donor truck, I'll pull the doors and fenders off that I need, and then the cab and the box I'll send back up north. See, somebody fucking put Bondo in there. This is like, there's probably a good, oh God, I'd say almost, probably a little over a strong 1/8 inch of Bondo in some of these spots. I'm not worried about making it perfect. I just want it to look better than what it is. I got a new exhaust tip going on there. That one's fucking, the mount part's broke and it's wiggling, so, which I know, super important, right? But yeah, this spring comes around, I'm gonna get everything all fixed and replaced, and hopefully I'll have it done by Fitzgerald 4.0 or 5.0.